Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation video. Here again is another hilarious one. I am not going to waste your time. Just watch from beginning to the end so that you're going to enjoy this comedy video. Let's go!
Babe, it's okay. Let's do 50-50.
No! This cannot happen. Don't stop
Oh my god, history has just been made. We are witnessing the first Nigerian woman to do 50-50 on a date.
Nah, lie.
Nigerians are in a state of total shock.
Maybe not transgender.
People are celebrating. Ladies are disgusted.
Never do such a thing.
Because why would you even do that?
We are live at the home of the first Nigerian woman to go 50-50 on a date with a guy.
Gentle.
Ma'am. So, ma'am, what is your inspiration? What inspired you to do such a thing?
That's how I was brought up in the UK.
So, you mean you didn't grow up here in Nigeria?
No.
I thought car.
It's not possible.
Not possible anywhere. There is no way. Look. There is no way a Nigerian girl will go on a 50-50 date with a guy. I've never seen it. I remember one day when I carry one girl. We go first date, you know they tell me say he leave in guy because he no fit buy a phone. From I say, don't worry, I will buy you phone. But after then I didn't call her.
Adele.
You get naira?
Yes.
But I'm coming your account my PC 2K, they urgent.
No, I know they take transfer. It's not be card, they leave them.
Man, the only card with my body na gift card. Run me your account number, man. Why are you as now?
Oh, guy, if you not get card, they leave them. I know they do transfer.
Oh, but I don't know me.
And because I sabi you, now one no go even give you. If you not get card, you leave them. Undu baby, leave them.
Undu baby.
Did I just say Undu baby?
Can I know my offense?
Are you Undu baby?
Bro, so any challenge?
I've been looking for you all over the nooks and crannies of the environs now.
Are you serious?
They say you are the surest plug to receive international deals. And my brother wants to send me money, $7,000 for my rent that is due. I've been looking for you.
But my brother did come active, oh. Now money be this and joy comes in the money.
No problem. They said you are Nazamano. I don't want to hear money died in Azabil. How do you call your slangs? Please, oh.
Baba, listen to me. As long as I be enough people put white thread for need on that song, my money no fit die for Azar.
And you were running when they called your
your
name.
courage, so I'll
That should
trust
be a
you
red
now.
flag from
Put the
this
account
man.
details here. Let me forward to him.
Red
I've been
flag
looking for
from
you
this man.
everywhere.
Imagine you're looking for somebody.
I forwarded to him.
$7,000.
No time. A nice one.
Baba, paste me on naira Azar.
Bro, Sabinus no offense, I beg. They rob us on front. All the whole property with inside the bus, they rob and finish. So I want to call my brother. We be police. The next checkpoint, I beg, help me, I beg.
You can call me, man, give you my phone. Me wait the middle of transaction. Baba, beg, call your account.
Please help him. He's distressed. Please, a matter of life and death. Please help him. Help him. Help him.
Baba, don't already open bank app. Call your naira Azar now.
Just minimize and help him now. We are all human. Help him, please. I don't want problem. The money is already in your.
This guy doesn't know who is
Thank you. Thank you.
Jesus! Where go?
Even me myself, I shop.
Have you helped him?
Help who? Where's the my phone move?
So what happened to my $7,000 that I sent to you now?
I got what on my iPhone system pin color 256 gig. The guy be like say the land walk.
Was I the one that told you to stay far from your phone?
Baba, listen to me. They say best way put food for fire and then they go far from pot. But because of you, I don't go lose guard my kappa. Okay, mind yourself. Oh.
My brother, I don't want to know what you're saying. You must devise a means and provide that $7,000. I don't want to shout. I don't want to shout.
Baba, listen to me, oh. They say best way get big bowl and then they full of shower price for long. Okay? If you follow me price, you go collect them. You the man.
You wanted to do your transaction, you telling him.
Okay, you said now you cause If you don't want to give that boy that for you, they beg him. Now the phone don't lost. If they be wanting them for who you down here, me compensate them for your phone.
Did they just render me homeless or is my imagination?
Okay, come on, if I go shot thief. Come on here, if I go shot thief. Thief.
Culprits. Never see you.
This is a man work, eh? You go just dey follow me around. Anytime we see say my person want do transaction, just come borrow phone from my hand, then you go run. Later we go meet you, share the money.
Sha.
Now here we go to meet you.
Simple.
It was nice doing business. Show it again.
Hey! Hey! Cha! Hey! Why has a man go trust to go ni boy? Hey!
They don't do you pick up, check out. Like, what? This is crazy. That's why. Yeah, let's see. I'll do on this one.
You know, being just beautiful should be your main job. Whatever thing you're doing should be a side hustle.
You are brighter than the moon. Thank you. Brighter than the moon.
I like you.
I'm gonna that for now. I'm not for you. Yo. You say something.
If she likes you, everything is free. If she doesn't, everything has a fee.
Hi, Becky. Hello. Hi. Baby, how are you? I'm fine. I have a gist for you. Really?
Ha!
Is that your boyfriend? Oh, yes, he's my boyfriend.
Let's have it.
I met him at the supermarket yesterday. And he said he likes me.
It's not really that kind of likeness, do you get? I was about passing an information to her. I wanted to tell her about Code 7 Exchange, a crypto company where you can trade your gift card, Bitcoin, USDT, RMB, anything digital asset. They are fast and reliable even when it comes to payment. I also wanted to tell her that they build website and app that she can reach out to them through their website at www.code7exchange.com or through their phone number. That was all, and she left.
Is that how you go about telling every random girl that you like them?
Okay, now I think you're really misunderstanding me. Come on, I was only trying to pass an information.
Won't you tell her you like her before passing the information?
Music is on.
So what do you stand to gain from all of this now?
Having you is what I stand
Hey! I want us mine.
We'll go inside.
So this is it, right?
God of Nazareth! God of Mosai God!
So you fell for this cheap prank, right? I am Becky here planned this and you fell for it. I'm so ashamed of you.
Manisha Adegema, do you know you don't have sense? If you have cars around on loyalty test, you carry yam, they give gold.
You don't have sense to loyalty test.
You, when they send you loyalty test, you run come do loyalty test. And for drag inside, you not kill there, your mind for day. Where come they get out from here?
God go send your destiny helper through woman. The destiny helper will come you before God.
They go, get away. If you run them loyalty test, give it a half car. If not you, will you resist? If I want that jam.
Devil has been waiting for you since.
What's up with my food now? Where's my order? I've not seen it since morning.
Ma'am, please calm down. The food will get to you soon. Please, I'm trying to cover up. I'm trying to pack your order, ma'am.
Please hurry up. Tell your dispatch driver to be fast. I have an appointment. In fact, look, I'm traveling. Please be fast.
Yes, ma.
How do you say you're almost done? See, something I've ordered like three days ago. This is why I don't trust you guys.
Ma, I'm so sorry.
Please, hurry up, please. My ride is almost here. Thank you very much.
Oga,
70 years old, man.
make sure you take this food to that address. Please, hurry up. You see that woman, she's already shouting. Please, I don't even have time. Make sure you deliver it to that woman. Please, be fast.
I get it.
I don't know how they managed to employ motel in this delivery business.
The right address, please. Oga, be fast.
Let's have it.
One man.
I've seen a ride already.
Hello, ma.
Hello. See, at this point, you cannot even kill me because I did not kill my mother.
Jesus.
Do you understand? It doesn't make any sense. See, now I'm about to enter the car now. I've not seen your dispatch rider.
Ma, I gave the dispatch now.
You know what? It's okay. It's fine. You told me a few minutes, Abi. Now I've waited for over 2 hours.
One chance. Who they go? You go. Enter, now one person remain.
I need to quick travel.
I understand. And I go quick run.
This time. You are a good man,
No, please. Send me his number. Let me call him myself, please.
Oh, okay, ma.
Hey! Just send the number. Thank you very much.
No, you've already eaten somebody's food. Hey, voila. Eating somebody's food in the car.
And the fool is not even picking up the call. He's not even picking the call. That's the annoying thing.
Hello?
You again.
Hello?
You again, Abi. You know what, This evening, complete it.
I will die.
Good. No, Victor, we are complete. We are full.
So, they should have done a food test for Motel before employing him to know if he's going to eat customers.
Oh boy, easy. What happened? Oh boy, problem there. Problem there for where? Problem there for where? Talk now.
See, I want to send my girlfriend I love you. I mistakenly go send her for landlady. Landlady? Joe, iwundu. You know say the old landlady 2 years rent. I didn't get paper body. You still stand here, go beg him now. Go beg him. You dey ask me, go beg him. Hey. Good morning, ma.
Who called you?
Festus. Yes, ma. Ma, please, see, I want...
I saw the message where you sent for me.
Ma, nothing I want...
It's okay. Calm down, You know say you be fine, boy.
Nala.
I mean, say if I don't be hold the thing for long, I one day you say, I love you too. And you know say since when my husband died, nobody they enter here. Cobwebs don't cover everything. I need make you they help me, they clear the cobwebs.
Cobwebs clear.
Ma, okay, your rent now.
No worry. For the rent. If you dey stay here, you no go dey pay me rent.
You mean now?
No pay me. Just dey clean the cobwebs. Can you any later at the moment?
Okay, bye.
The Lord has done it.
The
Lord has done it. Festus, you don't apologize.
Apologize for what?
Minister of Enjoyment. It's a continental.
That was nice. That was great.
Nigerian girl.
Those two more balls. Subscribe to this channel.
I'm not be like Onana where they use 24 hours sleep. Now why they bet on 24J bet? 24J bet is a new betting platform that gives smart working bonuses. Once you register with the promo code blaq, you're eligible to win 100,000 naira weekly by inviting people to use your own promo code.
Serious? Hey, bro, we make you go cruise the camera.
No, only me sabi driver. I mean they get brake issue.
Oluwa no me o share. Jesus, let me find mercy in your sight.
That's how I die.
Solo.
Somebody never talk. You don't enter motor. They drive. They go. Shuku don't chook ghost.
Sorry.
You might be a fake ghost. How come you chook your leg? Fake ghost. A real ghost does not enter choco.
Alpha bro, who cook this food?
I'm a babe now.
Your babe?
Yes. I need a plan to marry her next year.
Next year? What did you do today?
My lord, I received your wedding invitation card. And here is the bride list. Hey! But I never ready for traditional wedding. According to section 2B of the class to mobile autocracy, to be inappropriate for you to pluck a beautiful flower without a proper signature. So, sign it. I don't want to court wedding.
In the mighty name of Jesus, this wedding must hold.
You never see anything. I don't want to church wedding. This wedding must hold. This wedding must hold. You know why they pray me the marry? Do not the way. They never they share less. I'm gonna wait. The problem is say I don't get money for this wedding. I don't worry you.
She's gonna play.
See money,
Where you there now? My guests they wait for me. Don't forget to bring the other hand of my suit. Come.
Jesus!
Ah, bro, what did they talk now? My tailor never sew my suit finish. Your tailor? No worry. Wear this one.
What do you think say make us as we did so? We never stay married up to this time.
That's good.
Marry her so that I will come and be eating that sweet food.
Good afternoon.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Please, can you give me a ride?
Hey, guy, enter.
Daddy, don't carry her.
What do you mean I should not carry her? Are you okay? What's your problem? Is she not your friend? Let's carry her now. What's there? How are you?
Thank you, sir. I'm fine.
Our family?
Fine, thank you.
Aha, that's okay. How was class today?
I'm stopping here, sir.
Okay, let me park.
Thank you, sir.
Why here?
Sir, where's my money now? Can you just calm down? So you just tapped me. But I said I'm going to pay you back your money. What do you mean I should calm down? I cannot calm down. Well, you borrowed this money from me. You told me you were going to return it the next day. And it is 2 weeks already. So give my money back now. Stop shouting. Why say me?
Hey! Are you people okay? In front of me, you people shout like that. Are you people mad? Am I a mate? You are borrowing money. Are you suffering that you are borrowing money? Are you telling me that there is no food at home now that you can eat for you to be borrowing money? What's the cause of that nonsense?
Daddy, is the 50,000 you took for me? You say you're going to save the money for me, and you haven't given me the money since back I've been asking for it.
70 years old man.
That's okay. Me, I've spent it all. Can I match it by?
Me, I need my money. Calm down, Joe. My daddy is going to pay you double of the money.
Okay, shut up, man. Did I say that? What's your problem now? Calm down. So, this guy now, who's going to pay for it?
I don't understand. What right?
Okay, you understand now. I brought you from school to your house. That's guy. You think I carry for free? I don't understand. Me, am I buying for inflation for free? How much are you? Is it your father or your mother that's transferring? You come and transfer for me.
Two of you want to scam because it is two of you and it's just me.
Are you mad? You're talking to like Get Are you okay? Are you mad? You're not okay.
Steve, sir, you are a thief.
Your father is a thief.
You are a thief, and I will collect my money back from you.
Let me beat this girl. Leave me alone. Let me beat her.
Help the breadwinner of the family. Without this bread, there will not be peace in the house. Please, any amount is okay. 500, 200, make we see food chop. We can help us. 100 naira, 200 will be okay. Help us.
Hey, so yeah, your friend there, yeah. The scam people say they cripple, Abi.
My brother is cripple. I am sure. I don't know. Maybe it's miracle.
Come, this rubbish must stop in this estate. Can I put inside this booth? Move.
Because of this,
Babe, someone told me that you are cheating on me and the person is in this house. So we are here to search this house.
Che, help us.
How can somebody be there? Yeah, comedians.
What exactly are they looking for?
Oh God, let's see how it's going.
Jesus!
Let's have it.
This is business.
Clear. Quick and swift.
You fuck up, I can say this your baby the cheat. No go use to spoil your relationship. More they go.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
My mood right now.
Calm down.
How did you do it?
No, don't worry. It's okay. Let's process and continue.
They play with I go and ask questions.
By the time I finish with these people, you know that I'm a sharp guy in business.
Internal problem, like. See, money they solve many problems. Imagine that guy just betrayed his friend. Because of dollars. But if now me, I'll do the same thing. I'll just take the money, pretend as if nothing happened. I will collect it and clean my mouth. As if nothing happened. Nothing. Oh, let's see little SMS on this one. I had to silence the background music because I'm avoiding copyright claim. There are so many copyright claims coming from left and right. You won't even know which one are that. So you just have to silence some kind of song. Because we don't know the one that will give you copyright claim. Like, you don't understand.
Now this place is the fine house. You like this one. Why the person won't cause the house? Now draws. I say no to draws. Say no to draws. They know the yes, this fine house now, they problem, you won't cause seller. Now they see the roofing. They don't ties inside now to just tie the ground. Not they see the window. So now how much? Now 80 million. 80 million. Yes. Wow. You remove only the ties just to tie the ground. The inside they don't tie them. See the windows now. So how much in dollar? I don't carry calculator now. Let's say maybe $60,000 or $50,000. No person. $50,000 to $65,000. That is 60 and 50. $50,000. Hi, no wahala, no checking. Now dollar you want to pay. Not like this guy client.
Okay.
Now better cement they use for this building. Just tired. A correct wall. A better cement they use.
No wahala, nice work. Let's continue. Just that the problem is here, agent. You relax and they expect something. So I just say make I just know the price,
Which kind of talk you they will they talk? Which kind of nonsense talk you they talk? Now you got to use me the torrent, If they never kill one of now, I'm not go rest. What do they want? I don't think no. Yes, you not even give me money at all. I they follow you up and down.
We are proud of you, little SMS. We are so proud of you. Agents are so wicked. They are thieves. They are the arch in this country. Nonsense people. Good as you do like that. No girls will form agents. One chop.
Are you aware that this is the biggest microfinance company in the whole of Africa? And you brought in an unintelligent child to my office for an interview.
Well, I sincerely apologize because he actually came for a holiday. Their school is currently on break. That's why she's here.
What's the name?
I'm Michael Steven.
What?
Michael Steven.
I get it.
Are you single or married?
Well, I'm single.
Jesus. Are you single or married?
I'm single. I'm single.
Uncle, you're single. Do you have kids outside, like baby mamas or, kids?
I'm sorry, is that supposed to be part of the
You question me.
Well, I don't have kids. Like I said, I'm single.
Hold up. You might be single and still have kids outside. Uncle, what of Chibika and Chibugo? Wait, Chibika and who? Chibika and Chibugo. Shut your mouth. Baby girl, talk to me, my dear.
He's in abundant. He's 2 boys.
Is he married? Yes.
This is not.
After everything that I did for you. What, baby? So, you have 2 kids already.
You shut up.
Shut up.
And did you know him?
This guy is a very wicked person.
Madam, please. I'm here for an interview, not the therapy section.
No, you're married.
I am not married. She's old and see. I don't even know why you're here in the first place.
You have 2 boys. You're married.
How? Go back to the. Oh my God. You got a trust man.
I'm very careful that think you can take my money away from me. Yes, you. Bella.
Isime. It's not that answer that she says she's winching that second. Everybody shut up your mouth.
Jesus. You're a witch. Of course you are a witch. I don't understand. If you are not a witch, you would have lived like a love for me. See, I will show you who the real witch is.
Okay.
Let's with the grace. Because of the thing I said, I want you. He's not with you.
How did you even get to find out that we're here in the first place?
Chineke. It's my phone that sent her message. I don't even know.
Only you! Allow who take position to enjoy. I cannot slap you. My girl, I will kill you. My girl.
Uncle, I'm start going to the house. I'm tired.
You want to go to the house?
Yes.
See, as you are going, just pack your load. Your holiday is over.
He said never. He said never. That's small. Some small children, they are mad.
You have coconut hair. I've told you not once, not twice, not 3 times. I don't even know if the hair on your head is for decoration.
You calm down now.
Don't tell me to calm down. What rubbish?
You know you're just overreacting.
Jesus! I'll show you what overreacting is today.
You can't wish.
Wait till you define.
Man, fake your papa first. Now you first pass, Abi.
Palava, he go get you.
I be na lot to be.
It's a small argument with me and your picking the girl to now she carry stick say she wants scatter G-Wagon.
Wetin reach to spoil G-Wagon now?
You can win.
Now trust
Now
me.
you get the G-Wagon.
Oh.
No, it's not my own. It's not mine.
Give her the phone, I follow and talk.
Your daddy won't follow you talk.
Hello, Daddy.
Manager, it's how much for the G-Wagon? What can I make here?
With just 308 million, this car is yours.
Na tax on you talk.
Millions.
Eh?
Millions, sir.
Na tax on you talk.
No, we deal on millions.
I hear say you want scatter G-Wagon. Now why come here, you hear the price, eh? You fit go ahead. But for now, no say you not get papa, eh? For the main.
Is a new website where you can predict games and cash.
Before even calling the girl's father, the girl had already nailed that. I am doing the card in the go, so now G-Wagon want to scatter out. She paused. I don't think she was temperamental enough to have destroyed. She would have ended up destroying that.
Listen, please, I'm new in this area. I came to visit someone, but my phone is off. Please, can I use your phone so that I'll call the person that I've arrived?
Seriously? I wish you were not a bad person. Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Hey!
You have stole your phone.
Don't worry, I just saw everything myself. Yeah, everything I went on. Don't worry. That's good. I'll just get a new one.
So I should go.
Just go, yeah? Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'll get a new one. Don't worry.
The thing you work on. Keep on this correct phone. Yeah, correct. Charlie, different one day. We'll link up. Hey! Hello, sir. Please, I am new in this area. I came to visit someone. My phone is off. I don't know if I can use your phone to call the person that have arrived.
You want to use my phone?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
For soldier man,
Hey!
I'm sorry.
You don't worry, eh? It normally happens here like that.
You are not angry.
Don't worry, you can go.
God have mercy upon us.
Jesus!
Never steal. I know economy is hard though, but never steal. The reason why I'm telling you not to steal is because government hates competition.
Guys, let's go, and this is massively hilarious. Massively, like I kind of.
Hi, good afternoon. Yes, I'm John.
Okay, wow, nice meeting you.
Hey! What are you doing with my blind sister?
Jesus.
Oh.
Come on for there and live there. Any woman they want is just show your photo of me. What's the meaning of that? What goes around should laugh for? Come on for there and go. Hey, you 12 man you want to.
Jesus.
Let's go.
Ouch!
Take. Are you ready to make what? Rub it on your face when you get home. Make sure you don't allow water to touch your palm, or else you run mad. Go! Go!
Leave there!
I warned you! Now, you have 24 hours to provide 2 pregnant hands to please the gods, or else you run mad.
How are you going to see that? Just go there, they won't kill you, they don't know what they want to do.
God, I could see pregnant aunt like this. Hey, see aunt, but I don't know if you get belly.
Hey, see aunt, but I don't know if you get belly. Take that aunt to the lab and test it now.
Hi. That might be like
Oh.
I come.
Oh, yeah, no. Alright, now, bye.
Alright, now, baby, bye.
Oh, why?
You are a bad boy.
Sweeter, I say. The wine. Oh, my God. I don't believe this way to be.
What it be this? What it be this? Jesus.
Man, sharply go use my drug. I come.
Ha!
Jesus! Jesus!
Hey! Go and do HIV test, please. Let's see Miss MC Tommy 1 on this one, guys. This MC Tommy 1. Don't put yourself in
Jay! This man!
Go cry, no worry.
We may be hungry, but we can manage our hunger.
Who please? This man!
Come, no worry, come join me. I don't say how they waka everywhere. I don't say they hungry. Come join me, move. You even carry spoon, sir. Jesus Christ. Don't worry, we'll just go buy mineral, so I go use step and down. Be good person. Where they go? This kind of country we have, I won't come beg me, idiot. You be mumu.
Hey.
Go and walk.
Rukky. They go define by when they go unlucky. The street is not for the corny. Rukky, not the pretender. No try a matter. They know they use it.
Boy.
What's up now?
I'm fine.
Are you there?
Yes.
What's the name now?
If your success.
My name is Rukky.
Oh, okay.
Are you the package now for the night?
Yeah, 70K.
Probably 70K and a car will be buy.
Even cow self will be 70K now, bros.
Take her easy now. Mark, you 10.
I don't understand. Which kind of nonsense be that? Which kind of stupid talk be that? After a guy waka.
Relax now.
You know they look market where they price.
Why they do like that now? How much will collect last man now?
After if you go 50K, no they go.
20.
I don't understand. Okay, look at the price.
25.
No, collect 25. It's too small now. You know the market. Okay, yeah, wait. Okay, wait.
They beg you for 25 in the phone.
You still there?
And they watch film.
Come inside room.
Okay, calm down now. And the film goes to finish. Just then, man just finish.
They work, you they watch film, you they work, you they play for your working hour.
So calm down. I don't really.
Working hour play.
Let's bring you come with. So I'll go inside, go freshen up. I say you don't be bed away from you.
This man!
Inside room now.
Oh God, beg, no they shout for. I know they like that kind of thing. So this place na public place. Why do they talk to me like that anyhow? I mean at 25K where you pay now they make you they order me around.
You want to refund the 25K?
Which one? I want refund for 25K. So you know they romantic. You know if you just say okay, maybe follow me sit down.
Shower for romantic.
Okay, they're not they romantic to Ashawo because Ashawo not be human being. No, Ashawo not be human being now. Because you know see the Ashawo where you know see the good girls maybe where you can't carry Ashawo for road. After I'm not the mind where to they talk.
I drop the remote, make you enter inside.
I bet not the order me. I know they like this kind. No make me vex so. They use because of 25K where you pay the order me around. How much be the money? Man refund the money give you. So don't make me vex so.
How would they made that for you?
I know they calm down.
Enter room.
I beg, don't make me vex. Give me your account and give you your money back. So
if you want to refund, I'm saying you go pay for damages. So
what have you done?
You pay for damage now. Don't put things for body now.
Hey, so you use because of 25K go buy me yourself.
Who want give 25K before not go 45? So that's all you always want.
Don't that not be me you want kill.
What worry you?
Big mumu. He said go pay for damage.
Information. I know they do dog you. I do appendix operation, so I know they do doggy.
You get appendix now, you carry a mental room.
I know.
Which kind of money are they who they find safe? This girl safe. What kind of people now? Okay, you do appendix operation, you never go, you carry the entire road. I go bust them.
That one no concern. You bust weight.
So why you go do appendix operation? Operation, you never go, you carry the entire road. So you know they do doggy. They tell me how you want to. Refund the money, no worry.
Man, refund the money.
Refund the money.
Put your accounts.
What kind of doings be that one?
For 25K.
Oh, refund the money.
Calm down. I'm not the wrong.
What are you going to pay for the damage?
Bad markets.
See where the good markets.
Oh, my back. I'm trying to make your life.
Come and shot you, man. I'll slap you. Come, you get any of your friend number if you give me. Oh yeah, come.
You know you wanted this thing so badly and you were playing. You were talking to the girl anyhow. You should have been romantic at least to get what you want. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you guys for watching this video to this extent. I really appreciate your effort. And please don't go away without subscribing, liking this video, sharing it to all of them on the platform. And also don't forget to comment, leave your thoughts, leave what you feel, leave what you feel about this comedy, and don't forget to comment where you're watching from, and also your favorite moment, and also your favorite comedian. Let's go. Today comedy is actually hilarious, especially this one of Rukky. How can someone pay for damages? I've not heard of that though in a shower business. I never hear. Well guys, thank you. I'm going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation video. Have a wonderful time, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification bell icon. Alright guys, peace out.